Well, summer season is often construction season, and we're in year 6 of the Keep Greeley Moving. For some updates on what's going on with that project, we have the Deputy Director of the Public Works, Joel Hemeseth. Thanks so much for joining us.
Thanks, Brian.
Did I get that title right that time?
You got it,
okay,
yeah,
all right.
yeah.
I want to make sure to screw those up, a lot of words in there. But Keep Greeley Moving, of course, tell us about the project. We're in year 6 of the 7th year, and you guys have a whole lot of paving operations going on this summer. What can people expect?
Yeah, another construction season, obviously, but we're excited to be in year 6 of 7 for Keep Greeley Moving, the first round. And so we're working in some of our final areas. We had 8 neighborhoods originally identified, and we're kind of working in the downtown and Cranford areas this year, doing our heavy paving work. We'll kind of scatter around the city with some of the other maintenance activities that are around paving. We've also sprinkled in some of the kind of more out west where there's some roads that need some attention. We're recognizing that and getting out there and hitting some of those as well. So we're in a good position and keeping up with all of our commitments. So we're excited that we're in year 6 and getting things done.
Well, it looks like you guys had a lot of work done. People, of course, can get more information at keepgreeleymoving.com because they can see the maps of those commitments you guys have there. They're always a work in progress because you guys have a lot of things to deal with, but they can get a glimpse of what you guys have on the agenda, what's coming up, and see what other projects down the line. You also, with the paving you guys have done, you guys won a lot of awards recently as well, right?
Yeah, I'm real proud of the guys that put that program together. We've won 3 awards last year for some of the work we did. We've won about 14 over the last decade here. So real proud of the guys. We continue to put quality work down and spend the money wisely. And so we won some awards over in the Sunrise neighborhood. 4th Avenue between 23rd and 35th won an award as well. And then we actually got Program of the Year for the whole state of Colorado. So pretty proud of those guys for the work they're doing.
And those are big deals too. These aren't awards like, oh, we did a good job. These are ones that you guys are using state-of-the-art stuff, making that being a what do you call it, an example for the rest of the country and how some of these things are getting done.
Yeah. People come. We put on come down and speak at conferences, and people look to us for our specs and how we put material down. And so it's real exciting to see people looking to us as the kind of leader in our state or even outside the state at times. And so, yeah, it's a real good program, and we're looking forward to continue on this summer, like you said.
And if people want to learn more about it, they can go to Keep Greeley Moving. That's one thing I love about the website. You guys go into a lot of detail about some of the projects because I get amazed at what goes into some of these paving projects. It's not just, we're throwing some rocks down on top of stuff. So it's impressive stuff.
Yeah, it's got a lot of good detail. It's got information on how to turn in if you see an issue or potholes or issues with concrete, because it's not all about paving. Also, we have concrete that we're replacing as well. So we like to know what needs are out there. Sometimes we don't know all the problems. We had like 43rd Avenue between 10th and 16th this year. It really came apart over the winter, and we just kind of had a wet year and it came apart, so we had to make some adjustments. So we're always looking for the next project to do, and so we need some extra eyes out there, so we're always looking to citizens to see what's out there.
Yes, you've got problems, make sure and report them because things might get changed around, but a lot of work to be had. Now, we said we're in year 6 of 7 for Keep Greeley Moving, but you guys want to keep doing this good work, right?
Correct. Yeah, obviously it's a continual process. Even as soon as you put a pavement down, our climate just starts to deteriorate things. So the City Council approved to put it on the ballot this year, so we're looking to extend that another 7 years. So this fall, voters will see that on the ballot. And so we're looking to extend that through 2029. And I always tell people we may not be in front of your road or house this year, but we will get there if we can keep this tax going. Road maintenance is a continual thing. So people are patient. We'll get around and get their road taken care of at some point too.
And I think some people don't quite grasp this. How many lane miles are in Greeley you guys take care of?
We take care of 850 lane miles of roads. So we touch with different methods almost 50, 60 miles a year. But like I said, it's a continual cycle, so we're always chasing it. And but our pavement quality is starting to continue to move up, so we're happy with that. We're heading in the right direction still. Before the tax, we were on a downward trend, so we're in the right place and heading in the right direction.
The good trends are definitely a good thing. Now, for looking forward to the future, of course, we have the paving projects going on this summer, but anything else big that Keep Greeley Moving has in store that people will be looking forward to seeing?
Well, we're working on some, Keep Greeley Moving does some road widening as well, so we're working on 35th Avenue right now between 4th Street and F Street, so that's an exciting, kind of a regional road that we're excited to get paved. We're looking to maybe do some extra roads next year as well because we're kind of getting to the end of our initial commitments. So we're looking to get some of those extra things done. So we'll get those put together this year and then out for next year. But we're always looking for that next road to pave.
Fantastic. Well, thank you so much for joining us, and congratulations on all the good work you guys are getting done.
Yeah, thanks, Brian. Thanks for having me.
There you go. Year 6 to Keep Greeley Moving. Lots of paving coming your way. And to get details about where it's happening and all the other information, let's go to keepgreeleymoving.com.